Track 43. The Amazing Human Body. Facts about the Human Body, written by Jane White. The 5 senses. Senses allow us to learn, understand, and enjoy the world around us. They can even protect us. We can do all this with our eyes, our ears, our tongue, our fingers, and our nose. Not everyone is able to use all of their senses. People who cannot see are called blind. People who cannot hear are called deaf. People who cannot talk are called mute. Did you know we can use all 5 of our senses at the same time without even realizing it? Sight. We see with our eyes. This sense is called sight. Sight helps you see colors and shapes. It also allows you to read, watch a movie, and walk without crashing into walls. When your eyes are open, they take pictures of the world and send them to your brain. Your brain then figures out what you are seeing. Hearing. You hear with your ears. This sense is called hearing. Hearing allows you to listen to music and also hear someone calling you, the ringing tones of your cell phone, and even the horn of a car when you are crossing the street. All these sounds vibrate inside your ear. Taste. You taste with your tongue. This sense is called taste. Which do you like better, chips or candy? There are different tastes your tongue can recognize: bitter, sour, salty, and sweet. You can see exactly where you taste them in the basic tastes graphic. Taste can save you from getting sick. If a food or ingredient is bad or expired, you will know once you put it in your mouth. Actually, smell can help you figure that out too. Your tongue can also tell you about food's texture: creamy, crunchy, soft, hard, and temperature. Your tongue even helps you speak. We need it to produce certain sounds. Touch. We can touch mainly with our fingers, but the sense of touch is really all over our body. Have you ever touched a really soft teddy bear or scarf? You could feel it was soft because of this sense. This sense protects you. We know fire burns thanks to our sense of touch. Although some people cannot feel pain, this is an illness. Have you ever heard of Braille? It is a writing system with raised dots that allows blind people to read. Next time you are at the museum or go into the subway, look for Braille signs. Smell. You smell with your nose. This sense is called smell. Because of this sense, we can appreciate the smell of flowers or food being cooked, and we can walk faster when we smell a dumpster nearby. Have you realized you cannot notice any smells when you have a cold? Food does not transmit taste either when you have a cold. This is because these 2 senses are related. Our nose helps us be healthier. It cleans the air we breathe, and it also affects the way we speak. Again, when you have a cold, sometimes your voice changes. Plug your nose and then try to talk. What is the result? Facts about the human body. More than half the bones in the human body are in the hands and feet. A newborn baby has 350 bones, but a fully grown adult has only 206. Food will get to your stomach even if you are standing on your head. Skin is the largest body organ. You lose about 4 kilograms of skin cells every year. Your mouth produces about 1 liter of saliva each day. Your left lung is about 10% smaller than your right one. Human teeth are as strong as shark teeth. Your blood makes up about 8% of your body weight. Genes are genius. Take a look at yourself in the mirror. Do you look like anyone else? The answer is no, because you are unique. But at the same time, you may look like your siblings, your father, or your mother. This is because of genetics. Genetics explains why you have freckles like your dad, thin lips like your mom, or skinny legs like your grandmother. Your parents passed some characteristics on to you, just like your grandparents passed some characteristics on to your parents. The human body is made of cells. Cells contain genes, and genes have the information that makes you look like you, and a little bit like the members of your family. Check the eye color prediction chart. As you can see, the color of your eyes depends on our genes. These are eye color predictions for a baby whose parents both have brown eyes. When the body is forming, before you are born, genes give it instructions. Some of these instructions might be blue eyes, curly hair, dark skin, small feet, or big nose. Farmers, botanists, and scientists experiment with genes. They mix genes to create more resistant plants or animals that will live longer. In 1997, a scientist experimented with the genes of a sheep and created Dolly, a sheep that was a twin of her own mother. She became very famous. More facts about genes. Genes can only be seen with a microscope. Genes can carry illnesses. The rarest combination of genetic characteristics or traits is red hair and blue eyes.